What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, and as y'all can tell by the title, today's video will be sponsored by AliExpress Tuneful Hair. They sent me a 613 unit and your girl dyed it red. We did the watercolor method, and yeah, like this was 613 and now it's red. They are having a big sale, y'all, like a big sale. You can get this exact unit 28 inches for $130, and they have a lot of wigs to choose from, y'all. So y'all need to run and make sure y'all go catch that sale. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, so make sure y'all go check them out, and make sure y'all watch this whole video all the way to the end so y'all can see the process. Thank you so much to Tuneful Hair for sponsoring today's video. But yeah, y'all, let me know down below how y'all feel about the hair, and yeah, make sure y'all watch the whole video. So as y'all know, Black Friday is coming up, and AliExpress is having a Black Friday sale from November 23rd to November 29th. There is thousands of wig selections that you can choose from that are up to 50% off. You can get this exact wig that I wore in the video and use code TF30 to get it for only $129.92. This wig is from AliExpress Tuneful Hair. It's 28 inches, 180% density, 613 blonde, and 13x6 lace frontal wig. And it could be dyed any color that you would like. There are also more codes in my description box down below. And if you want to find more wigs with good quality and good price, open your AliExpress app and search TF30 to find more influencer pics. Now let's get back into the video.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, got What's up? Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing.